In the last module, we talked about creating links to cells within Excel. What we're going to talk about now is linking Excel data or Excel charts, in our case, to other Microsoft applications. The example we're going to use here is we do this quarterly reporting information over here where we update maybe forecast or actual sales information that updates the total sales for that particular quarter. But what we drive off of that is these charts. Now, since we don't give our presentations out of Excel, we do it out of PowerPoint, what we're going to do is create links between these Excel charts and a set of PowerPoint charts so that whenever we update this information up here that updates these charts here, we'll be able to automatically update our charts in PowerPoint. So here's how you do it. We're going to go ahead and click on this chart right here and do a Control-C to copy. Now, I'm going to go over to PowerPoint where I have a blank slide waiting. This is a brand new workbook, and I have a blank slide waiting here for that chart. The way I'm going to paste it, though, is I'm going to come over here to the Paste drop-down arrow in PowerPoint, and I'm going to select Paste Special. Now, if I were just going to do a one-time static graphic picture of the chart, I could use any of these graphic formats here. But that's not what I'm up to. What I'm going to be up to is I'm going to paste a link. Now what it says down here is when I do this, it inserts a picture of the clipboard contents on your presentation. But here, this is what's cool. Paste link creates a shortcut to the source file, here the Excel file, so that changes to the source file, the Excel file, will be automatically reflected in your presentation. That's what we want to do. So I'll click OK. The chart's going to pop up into the middle of the slide. I'm just going to resize the chart as I would with any graphic object to get it nicely positioned within the chart or within the PowerPoint slide here. And then to get it exactly in the middle, there's a little trick for you. And this is with any graphic object or anything you want to put in the middle of a PowerPoint slide. Just go ahead and come up to the contextual ribbon tab here for this graphic object and click Format. Go all the way over here to the right and click this Align button. We want to align it center and align it middle, and that'll put it exactly in the middle of that PowerPoint slide. So now when I go into presentation mode, you can see the chart looks great. Now, I would just do this like 14 or 15 more times for all of my charts in my PowerPoint deck. But we're just going to do it once, because once you know how to do it once, you'll know how to do it not only in PowerPoint many, many, many times, but also in Word as many times as you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Escape. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this file. We'll just go ahead and put it out here on our desktop, and we'll call it our Boom Shaka Laka presentation. And click Save. And now we'll go ahead and get out of PowerPoint. We'll close it all down. And we're just going to pretend a month went by. Doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Month goes by. And let's go ahead and change these numbers here. Now I'm just going to change them just really dramatically and obviously so you see they're different. And then we'll just copy that down. Just pointing out that when I change these numbers here, it makes all of my Excel charts different. Now I want to reflect those changes in my PowerPoint presentation. So now I'm done with Excel. I'll go back and open up PowerPoint. I will go ahead and open up File, Recent, drop down here and grab my Boom Shakalaka presentation because it's time to update all 15 of my slides for the month. So I click Open the Boom Shakalaka presentation. And right here, right when I open the file, I get this little message. It says, hey, there's links. What do you want to do? Well, we want to update the links. So just click this button. And bam, every single one of your slides just updated. Now, if you do any type of monthly reporting where you do anything in Excel, and maybe you create a report in Word or a presentation in PowerPoint, this technique will work perfectly. Not only with graphic chart data like this, but also with tables of numbers, words, or text. It's important to understand that our link is going, in this case, from the source file, Microsoft Excel, to the destination file, PowerPoint, and the updates flow in one direction. You're building the links between the source, similar to the way you're doing it in Excel. You're from the source to the destination. It's a one-way street. But once you master this technique, it can save you hours, Because what you'd have to do on a monthly basis, if you didn't know how to do this, is you'd pull up your old presentations, you'd cut out all your old charts and paste in all your new charts. And this you can do in a fraction of the time once you set it up right. So there you go. Linking between Microsoft applications. Super easy. Practice this, try it, and just see how many hours you save if you do any of this kind of work. Boom, shakalaka.